Here I have Doogee X55, and today I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset operation on this device in case if you forgot your password, pin code or pattern. So first of all you have to turn your device off, and after it completely turns off you have to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds. The menu will appear, and in this menu you have to use volume up key to navigate to the first option, recovery mode, and then select it with volume down key. In the next step, when you see the Android robot and no command message on screen, you have to hold down volume up and press power key once, like this. And you will access the following menu. Here you have to use volume keys to navigate to the fifth option, wipe data factory reset, and then select it with power key. And then select yes, delete all user data. And after you see the message data wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. Device will be restarted in about 3 or 2 minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.